Today, we're comparing two Hankook models to answer a key question: is there really a compromise between all-season and summer tires? How well can a summer tire like the Kinergy Eco to really handle in snow? And does an all-season tire like the Kinergy 4S2 truly offer the best of both worlds? Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the summer tire in the form of Hankook Kinergy Eco 2 set as the reference point at 100%. Let's start with wet performance. The summer-focused Kinergy Eco 2 is impressive here, stopping in just 28.6 meters, but remarkably, the all-season Kinergy 4S2 isn't far behind, stopping only 1 meter later at 29.6 meters. Hardly a compromise. In wet handling, the 4S2 even surpasses the summer tire, finishing the lap to seconds faster at 59.5 seconds compared to the Eco to time, or 61.6 seconds, so even when it rains, the 4S2 shows it's no second-tier option. On dry roads, the summer Eco 2 does pull ahead in braking, needing just 37.2 meters to stop from 100 kilometers per hour, while the 4S2 requires 39.8 meters, about 2.6 meters more. It's a lead, yes, but not a drastic one. Interestingly, in dry handling, the 4S2 is right there, completing the lap 0.5 seconds faster than the Eco 2. Now for the snow test. Here, the all-season Kinergy 4S2 shines, stopping in just 19.5 meters, while the summer Eco 2 takes nearly double that at 37.7 meters. In snow traction, the 4S2 accelerates from 5 to 40 kilometers per hour in 6 seconds, while the Eco 2 takes 12.7 seconds on the snow track. The 4S2 completes the lap in 88.3 seconds, over 27 seconds faster than the Eco 2 lap time of 115.6 seconds. This is a clear proof of the all-season tire's advantage in winter. Both tires score equally high on comfort, at 9.8 out of 10, ensuring a smooth ride. In rolling resistance, the summer Eco 2 has a slight edge, rated at a coefficient value of 7.67 versus the 4S2 coefficient of 8, which may favor EV owners looking to maximize efficiency. So, is there really a compromise? The summer Hankook Kinergy Eco 2 tire excels in wet and dry braking performances. But if you need year-round capability, the all-season Hankook Kinergy 4S2 performance in snow and wet handling make it an outstanding choice. This narrowing gap between summer and all-season performance highlights just how far tire technology has advanced. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.